And this is really convenient if you're doing like castle turrets or something like that. You know, it makes it really easy to get the size you want. Then all you're gonna do is you're gonna paint it. Okay? Just paint it with your luster dust. It paints really nice. Holds the color really well. Okay? And then when you're done, here it is. Okay? So let's do his tail, then put his head on, his ears, and then do his horn and his mane. What we have here are some rainbow colors, hence the reason why we've got this rainbow colors back here, because he's basically painted his tail so that he has, so he looks like a unicorn. Okay, so we're doing a rainbow tail, and we're going to do the rainbows. We're going purple, pink, blue, green, yellow. We're going to start from the tip of the tail and go to the base, but I wanted to know where I was ending up. So I just put the two bottom base pieces down. And then, so we're going to start at the tip now, the tip of his tail. And they're going to overlap as they go back. So they're just giant, long, tapered things, like snakes, only they're tapered. Okay? And that's all it is. So we're going to go ahead and start with the front. I guess I'll turn that so you can see it, huh? And I'm actually going to paint his hooves a little gold too. So some long, some short. All right, and then on to the pink. Oops, didn't need that. It's nice because if you pull it, it kind of tapers for you. Okay. It's nice. You pull it and it just kind of does that for you. Isn't that nice? That's nice. Okay. So we think we have, it's just a little thin up the front here, so I'm just going to put one more, I need one more piece, like right in the inside here, it looks like. So let's put our flower in here. I'm going to put it in on this side. There. On that side. All right, so what's left now is putting on his head and getting his mane done up. So I have a little bit of royal icing over here. I need to see. There's his ears. And he needs his horn. So let me face this. I need to face it, so I need to arrange his head. Now his head goes on a stick, and the stick goes in the cake. I guess it's going to be this one. It's sharpened on the end, so it can go down into the board. A little bit of frosting, which I saved. So a little frosting. Here's his head. Okay, we'll put his ears back on because I was manhandling. Should have waited. And you want them as far back as you can get them because you need room for that horn. Okay, so here he is. Okay, now we're going to put the horn on with a little bit of frosting. And you and I know that he's not really a unicorn. He's just a pony that's trying to be a unicorn. So he has to tie the horn onto his head. So we have a string that's going to go around here and tie so that you know that he's just tied it on. It's not really a unicorn. And then we have to put his mane on. So he's got it on. Let's attach it. There we go. So there's the string. and he's got it tied around. So we're gonna make a little bow, a little loopy bow. Okay, so you can see that he's got that tied. His horn is tied on his head. It's the only way you can get it to keep on, you know, if you're not a real unicorn.